What do you guys think? Yeah? Is that fun to perch on? I got that big piece of driftwood for $3. Yes. I got this little log over here for a couple dollars. And what we're doing is we're setting this up to see if you guys would like to have a bath. You have to get used to it though. But anyways, this was meant for turtles. Yeah. And I said that would be perfect to perch on. There's noisy doves. They're noisy. Clarabelle and Mr. Gray like it, so now we have to see if Ralphie and Gigi like it. Well, Ralphie likes it. Yeah. And Gigi's over here on my shoulder. Yeah. So we'll see if she likes it. Ralphie, what you think, buddy? Now, oops, Gigi, oh, hi, honey. Gigi's not too sure about it, are you, sweetie? No, come here. Oh, you're going to go on the log? Okay. Okay. You guys kind of claiming that. Huh? Gigi. 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 Come here. Step up. Come on. Step up, honey. Oh, not on the tree. Not on the tree. The fake flowers. Oh my goodness. No, it reminds me I need to put a picture in the back there. A recent one. So what do you guys think? We're going to try Ralphie again. Come here, Ralphie. Step up. Let's see what happens. Ralphie. Okay. Look, Ralphie. 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 Oh, that's not working. Gigi, what's the matter? Aren't you sure? Wanna try again?